All right, hello everybody. Thank you for joining. I am Riley with the T Storm Chasers, and we're going to take a look at your forecast. But before we do, here is a brief word from our sponsors at Cube Portable Storage.
What are you doing?
Decluttering?
Moving? Remodeling? In need of temporary storage, emergency cleanup, or just need to declutter? Cube Portable Storage has the perfect solution. Rent your Cube Portable Storage container today.
And don't forget, they got roll-off dumpsters for the other stuff. Call Cube Storage for all your moving needs.
All right, hello everyone. Happy Thursday out there. Today is February 12th, 2026. Let's go ahead and jump into our video. I wanted to go ahead and just jump right into what are we expecting over the forecast ahead here for you. Give you guys all the details you guys need to know for the weather for the rest of this week and even into next week and the longer range forecast. Firstly, I wanted to look at the latest on the European model, and this is what you can expect for any kind of precip. Now, as we head into tomorrow, we are not seeing anything. We have high pressure over us, and we will not see any activity on your day tomorrow. Now, for your weekend, I do want to mention in the southern U.S., we're looking at a system, a bigger system, moving through the southern U.S. on Saturday. So there could be some light rain showers in far southern Nebraska, but that would be about it. Just wanted to throw that out there. And then as we head into Sunday, we're not seeing anything. There could be a few sprinkles up here in North Dakota, but that's really about it. Maybe far northern Minnesota, maybe some sprinkles up here, but that would be about it on Sunday. Otherwise, everywhere else, we're looking dry overall. Now, as we head into Monday, early next week, the pattern does not change much. We're still looking at the same weather pattern, dry and warm and mild weather. Now, as we head into Tuesday, here is where we start to finally see some things change. If we look at Tuesday, this takes us out to the 17th. During the afternoon hours, there is a low pressure system that looks to be coming in from the west, from Wyoming. And that could bring our next chance for moisture, any kind of moisture. We're in the middle of a long-lasting weather pattern of warm, dry weather. And so it does look like, though, as we head into the latter part of this month, as we head into next week, it does look like this pattern is going to finally start to shatter a little bit, start to break down a little bit. And as you can see here, there is some pockets of scattered light rain showers, it looks like. And, there could be some snow embedded here up in North Dakota. And then as we play this out, Tuesday evening, there could be some rain showers around the Sioux Falls area, as you can see there, maybe southwest Minnesota, northwest Iowa, pockets of Nebraska, and even western South Dakota. It looks like this is mostly going to be in the form of rain at this time. The snow would be up north into North Dakota. And by Tuesday night, you can see some scattered areas of precip. Again, mixed precip, rain, snow, mix here across the area. Southern Minnesota, northeastern South Dakota, up into North Dakota. And then as we head into, as we play this out, continue this, the system will move east and, mixed precip. It looks like mainly snow across northern Minnesota into North Dakota. And, the pink and red areas that you see, that's the freezing rain mix there. Now, as we head into Wednesday, there could be another system coming in from the west. As you can see here, another low pressure system that could cause some more areas of mixed precip. This would take us out to Wednesday the 18th. This is look here at maybe the Black Hills region, maybe up towards north central South Dakota, Faith over towards Mulbridge. Could be some pockets here of mixed precip. And then that would kind of move off into Minnesota, and then there could be some lingering snow maybe in southwestern South Dakota. Now, again, this is all if this actually plays out, because this is still on the table here. This is not a for sure thing. These models change every day, so it's hard to predict this far out in advance what exactly, the exact locations and details. But there are, I'm trying to give you guys a detailed breakdown of what you can expect, at least according to what's being shown on the latest European model, which is, it's fairly accurate. It's not perfect, but it gives us a good idea of what can we expect for precip for a little bit longer range out, usually that 3 to 5 day window. Now, as we head into a little bit longer range picture here, as we head into the 20th of February, there could be, another system of some light snow making its way across the region, and as it illustrates there by the 20th of February, and then by the 21st of February, I found this interesting. Look at this. This takes us out 9 days out from now, and the I-29 corridor looks to get active here of snow on the northern end. That would include Sioux Falls all the way up to North Dakota and Minnesota, and then mixed precip of rain/freezing rain down here in Nebraska, eastern Nebraska. And then by Saturday, that system clears out, and then maybe another system by Sunday into Monday. This will take us out to the 22nd of February into the 23rd. There could be another system. So, I want to preface this that it does look like the latter part of February is going to be more active. All of the trends are suggesting that we're looking at a bit more active pattern as we head into next week and into the last part of February. Now, before we take a look at the rest of your forecast, let's take a look at our sponsor at CE Construction.
From roofing to siding, CE Construction is setting the standard across North and South Dakota. Our expert team delivers quality, durability, and trust on every project. CE Construction, Dakotans helping Dakotans with their roofing and siding needs. Call or visit us online.
So here's your temperature anomalies. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Today, again, was a very warm, mild day, and we expect that to continue for the next several days. Tomorrow, looking like another really nice day. 50s for daytime highs there. It's going to be a really nice day tomorrow. Hopefully you guys can get out and enjoy the nice weather that we're going to be seeing here over the next several days. For your weekend, how about your weekend forecast? Look at this. 50s widespread again on Saturday. So looks like a really nice day on Saturday. And by the way, I wanted to mention this also, that this weekend into early next week, Saturday through Tuesday, the golf courses in Sioux Falls are actually opening up, and a lot of other golf courses are opening up this weekend just in time for your Valentine's Day weekend. So I wanted to go ahead and throw that out there. So that gives you another idea of how warm and nice our weather is going to be. And this weekend, Sunday, looks like another beautiful day in store. I think Sunday is the day that Sioux Falls finally hits 60 degrees. We have not hit 60 yet this year, so that would be a first. We're going to get really close, I think, on Sunday. I think we can hit 60 in Sioux Falls. Otherwise, widespread 50s and 60s across the area on Sunday. And then how about early next week? Well, the European model, at least on this one, shows a little bit cooler weather. They're a little bit shy on the highs. I think we're going to be warmer than this, but it's showing widespread 50s. I think we're going to be seeing some widespread 60s on Monday. I think Sioux Falls once again could hit 60 on Monday. And then Tuesday, same story. I think we can hit 60 on Tuesday as well for Sioux Falls. I think this model run is a little bit low on the temperatures. I think we're going to be warmer than this. I think we can easily see 50s and 60s widespread across the area. Now, Wednesday is when we start to see some interesting developments. So it looks like, by the middle of next week with that potential system, it does look like we're starting to see some trends of some cooler weather moving in, and that would detail, temperatures, I think, in the 40s. That's still above average for this time of the year. Again, our average high for this time of the year for our region is around freezing, which is around 32 degrees. And so every day in this forecast for the next 2 weeks, we're going to be above normal. But as we get into, the latter part of February, there is some trends that are suggesting cooler weather as we head into the last part of February. Basically, the last week of February, there's some trends that are suggesting colder weather moving in. We still have a lot of cold air up in Canada, and so until that changes, which usually that's not until April, and this forecast looks like an April forecast. So, 50s and 60s, that is an April forecast, not a mid-February forecast. This is definitely a classic fall spring, I believe. I don't think it's spring yet, but the groundhog as of right now is looking pretty wrong right now, as we've had nothing but spring-like weather since Groundhog Day and all the way up to now. We've had a long, extended period of very warm, mild weather, and it's going to continue for about a week. And here is a look at the 6 to 10 day temperature trends across our region. And as you can see, we're looking at some very warm weather ahead. These orange and red shaded areas that include our entire region is just a testament to how, crazy this is. I mean, for mid-February, we should not be in the 50s and 60s, but we are. That's the weather we're going to be seeing at least for about the next 5 to 7 days. And expand the view here, and we're not the only ones here. Most of the United States, the only exception would be the far west part of the United States, is going to be in the same boat here. We're looking at a large section of the country with above average temperatures for the next 6 to 10 days. And if we go a little bit farther out, looking at the 8 to 14 day window, look at that. It looks almost the exact same. The map looks very similar. We're seeing a very similar map. The orange shaded areas above average. At this point, 40% chance of above average temperatures. So that is what we're looking at. And you go farther south into the southern U.S. and it just the colors get darker because that means warmer weather, warmer temperatures ahead. And once again, the western part of the country being the only areas that we're seeing below average temperatures. So bottom line is, for at least the next week, we're looking, even 2 weeks, we're looking at above normal temperatures for this time of the year. So that is going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you guys. Make sure and smash that like button if you enjoyed this, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well and ring those notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. And also check us out on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok as well. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching.